dears, this is Raji. We are learning the chapter hydrogen chloride, right? In the previous video, we were discussing how to prepare hydrogen chloride gas in the laboratory and what are the important questions related to that topic, and we had discussed a lot of board questions also related to that, right? Yes. So if you haven't watched it, definitely you should go through that. I'll share the link of that video also. In this video, we are going to learn how can we prepare hydrochloric acid from hydrogen chloride gas. It's very simple because hydrogen chloride gas is highly soluble in water. If we are passing hydrogen chloride gas through water, we will be getting hydrochloric acid, right now. But for that, a special experimental setup is required. So let's see what is that, and at the end of this video we will be discussing the board questions also related to this method. Okay? Yes. See this picture. Can you tell me how can you prepare hydrogen chloride gas? We have learned that already. Yeah, we will take little bit of sodium chloride. To that we will add concentrated sulfuric acid. We will heat the mixture to a temperature below 200 degrees Celsius. So what will happen? You will be getting sodium bisulfate. Along with that, hydrogen chloride gas also will be formed. Instead of passing this hydrogen chloride gas through this drying agent, we will pass it directly through water. So you will be getting hydrochloric acid. Okay? Yeah. But there is a special type of arrangement is required for the preparation of hydrochloric acid. What is that arrangement known as? That is known as inverted funnel arrangement. And what is this inverted funnel arrangement? At the end of this delivery tube, we will attach a funnel in such a way that the mouth of the funnel will be just touching the surface of the water. Got it? Why this inverted funnel arrangement is required? Instead of that, using this delivery tube itself, we can pass hydrogen chloride gas directly through water. Right? Why we are not doing that? Yeah. One reason is that the opening of the delivery tube is very small. So at a time, very less amount of gas will be dissolved in water. That is one disadvantage of this method. What is another reason? Yeah, see, hydrogen chloride gas is highly soluble in water. The rate of production of hydrogen chloride gas from the main apparatus and the rate of dissolution of hydrogen chloride gas in water should be almost equal. Otherwise, what will happen? In case for a moment the production of hydrogen chloride gas is delayed from the main apparatus, it will create a vacuum inside this delivery tube. So, because of the atmospheric pressure, what will happen? Yeah. The atmospheric pressure from outside forces the water back up to the delivery tube. So, water level slowly rises up. Okay, yeah. And see, finally, it will reach in the main reaction apparatus. See, there we have kept concentrated sulfuric acid. It is dangerous, no? Yeah. When water directly comes in contact with concentrated sulfuric acid, it is a highly exothermic process, right? And it may lead into explosion also. So that's the reason passing hydrogen chloride gas directly through this delivery tube into water is not a safe method for preparing hydrochloric acid. Got it? Yeah. And the process of sucking back of water due to low pressure inside the tube, and that process is known as back suction. Got it? Yes. To prevent such an accident, we will be using this inverted funnel arrangement. What will be the advantage if you are using this inverted funnel arrangement? Yeah, it has got a greater surface area compared to that of a delivery tube. So the amount of gas dissolved at a time also will be greater. Okay, yeah. So one reason is that we can increase the surface area of absorption. Got it? Yeah. Now, we should note that in the case of funnel arrangement also, there is possibility for some amount of back suction. Why it occurs? Yeah. Imagine these red circles are hydrogen chloride gas. It will be produced from the main apparatus, and once it reaches near the water, some amount of hydrogen chloride gas will be dissolved in water. As a result, for a moment, as you can see in the picture, there will be a vacuum created near the mouth of the funnel. Okay, and now see this one. This is atmospheric air outside. This atmospheric air will be exerting a pressure on the surface of the liquid. Right now, that is what we call as, yeah, atmospheric pressure. Yeah, so the pressure outside is high. As a vacuum is created inside the funnel, yeah, the pressure inside will be very low. So due to that, the water, yeah, will be sucked inside the funnel. Okay, so you can observe, yeah, the water level in the funnel slowly rises up. See, it is clear from the picture. The water level rises up because of the low pressure created near the mouth of the funnel. But to which level water can rise? Only till the pressure inside the gas will be equal to that of the atmospheric pressure. See, up to this limit, yeah, see, almost the pressure is equal. Also, we should note that, yeah, we have arranged the funnel in such a way that, yeah, it is just touching the surface of the water, right? Yeah, so once some amount of water is sucked in by the vacuum that is present inside the funnel, yeah, there is an air gap created between the water level and the funnel. So here also the pressure will be the same as atmospheric pressure. Okay, yeah. So the pressure inside the funnel and outside the funnel will be the same. So due to that, this water cannot stay there inside the funnel. It will have to fall back. Correct? Yes. So due to that, the funnel will be emptied, and this process repeatedly happens, and finally, yeah, this water will become saturated with hydrochloric acid. Got it? So for the preparation of hydrochloric acid in the laboratory, what is the benefit of using this funnel arrangement instead of a delivery tube? Yeah, even though a low pressure is created inside the funnel and some amount of water is sucked inside also, soon it will be falling back to the beaker itself, right? So the chances of getting water into the main reaction apparatus containing concentrated sulfuric acid will be very less. Got it? Still, as a precautionary measure, in order to avoid the accidents that may happen while carrying out this experiment, we will keep an empty flask in between the main reaction apparatus as well as the inverted funnel arrangement. And that device is known as anti-suction device. Okay, in case because of back suction some water will be rising up also, it will never reach the main reaction apparatus containing concentrated sulfuric acid. It will be coming and collecting in this empty vessel. Got it? So you should note this point also. Now see this question. These are the questions related to the laboratory preparation of hydrochloric acid. Read and find out. In the laboratory preparation of hydrochloric acid, HCl gas is dissolved in water. Draw a diagram to show the arrangement used for the absorption of HCl gas in water. So which picture you will draw? You will have to draw an inverted funnel arrangement. Okay. Again they are asking why such an arrangement is necessary. Give two reasons for that. So what answer will you give? Yeah, one reason is to provide greater surface area. If you are using a delivery tube, what will happen? Its opening is very small. Surface area is very less amount of gas will be dissolved in water. But if you are using a funnel, it will be providing a greater surface area for absorption of the gas. That is one reason. What about the other reason? To prevent back suction. Using the delivery tube, if you are passing the gas directly into water, what will happen? Yeah, there is possibility for back suction and water may reach the reaction apparatus containing concentrated sulfuric acid and it may lead to explosion. So to prevent that, we will use a funnel arrangement to prevent back suction. So you can write like that. Got it? Now see this question. Correct the following statements. Hydrochloric acid is prepared in the laboratory by passing hydrogen chloride directly through water. Do you agree? It is a wrong statement. Okay, yeah, it is a dangerous method also. So we will go for a funnel arrangement. An inverted funnel arrangement is used for the preparation of hydrochloric acid in the laboratory. You should write. Okay, that is a correct statement. So we got that answer also. Read the next one. Write two precautionary measures to be taken when hydrochloric acid is prepared in the laboratory. one we have already discussed. What is that? That is nothing but the funnel arrangement. They are asking two precautionary measures. What about the other one? We had discussed that also. Do you remember? In between the main reaction apparatus and the funnel arrangement, we will keep an empty flask. Correct? No? What's the name of that flask known as? It is known as an anti-suction device. So by using this anti-suction device, we can prevent the accidents that may happen while preparing hydrochloric acid. So these 2 points you should remember. Okay. We have discussed a very small topic. Hope you might have understood the concept. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.